Hey folks! Back in the next estate for another rat raid. Rats here spook easy, one flash of light and they bolt. Spot a well-fed KF ahead, get lost. One shot, one kill, instant head pop. That makes rat number 918. Milestone, hope you all remember. Any mouse that breaks in and steals, I see when I drop one. Nice, another grave shot. Took out two shameless little things at once. Drag the shameless pair to where they belong. Hazard waste belongs in this bin. Scene swap, now at the wet market. Promised extra care for market rats, they threaten our food safety. Passed tonight, dropped in for a look. This one sprints pretty fast. Back turned, no shot, must hit the head. So tense the rat almost scared him, but... You think you can run once I lock on? HMPH, Yang. Next stop, the plucker machine. Usually used for chicken and duck feathers. Playing here? Totally ignoring me. What am I doing? Doing this in front of me? Is that not a bit much? Izzy, right? Good.